Okay, so I just got home from the dentist, and like my whole right face is all swollen and numb, so I can't really talk. And when I talk, I mispronounce words, and it really hurts when I talk. And I had it swollen, and so is my face over here. So I'm gonna tell a story. Okay, so once upon a time, there was a rain monster. And the rain monster didn't like rain. I'm laughing at her. Okay. Um, and the rain monster didn't like rain. So this one time, he went for a big ocean. And he jumped in it and he swam all around, so he didn't want to have to see the rain anymore, because he'd always be surrounded by water. So one day, after thousands of years of living underneath the water, he had children and everything, and then he met his parents, and the parents were all the way in Firestone Park. Not a real place, by the way. And then he liked it there, and he missed it. But he didn't want to see the rain because it always rained there. So he went to his parents' house with his family, with his fish family that could breathe. And then he saw his parents, and they were happy, and then he was happy ever after. And he loved his family. Yeah. Ah. Owie. There's my story. It's a pretty BC story. Owie. No, and I don't get to go. I don't have to go to school today.